please direct me to Mistress Thabitha? Thank you very... I hope she hasn't gotten lonely.
Rhonda? Is that you?
It is, Mistress Thabitha. How I've missed you so. This stranger here fixed me up right as rain. Is he a friend of yours?
No, of course not. I don't know what I'm gonna do now with Rhonda back.
Mistress Thabitha, we should be heading off. Our journey has been much delayed, but we can catch up if we hurry. Come along now.
Yes, Rhonda. You told me.